Got the product in an empty dropper bottle that I'm gonna fill with water after and see, is this water resistant? This is the Color Wow Dream Coat that Chris Appleton raves about. Now, I have tried this out. My hairstylist has put it in my hair before a blow dry and it comes out super silky and shiny. So I can attest to the shine, but is it really water resistant? Let's find out. All right, you're supposed to saturate the product from root to end, all in sections in your hair. So I'm gonna saturate it. Actually, what I just learned here on TikTok is that this will last you 2 to 3 washes. So you don't have to apply it every single time in your hair because you do use, clearly you see, I'm using a lot of product. When I say I saturated my hair, I mean I saturated my hair. I got my Dyson. Now the way to activate this product is by using heat. So let me go blow dry my hair and I'll be right back because you don't want to see that. All right, I finished. I have to touch up my bangs a little bit, but I did my hair pin it straight how he did on the model. Can we talk about how long my hair is right now? But anyways, let's get to the moment of truth. I put some water in here. I'm so excited. But wait, look how silky and soft and shiny my hair looks, and look how beautifully my fingers run through. It is like butter. Up close and personal, and the moment of truth. I am so nervous. Is this gonna work? Shut the up. Dude, stop. Stop it. Do you see that? Oh my God. That is so cool. My hair is not even... My hair is literally not even wet. Stop. I did not think that was going to work like how he did it. Are you guys seeing that right now? Dude, the water's literally falling into my hand. I'm speechless. Go get this. Wow. Tag Color Wow in the comments. This is amazing.